Hi everyone, Brad here, Airstream of Utah. I come to you today with a update on our pre-owned inventory. I have this beautiful 2018 25-foot front bed flying cloud. I have this also beautiful 2018 27 front bed Globetrotter. Let's go check these things out. This 2018 25-foot front bed, twin bed flying cloud has been exceptionally maintained. It is very clean. I love this light colored interior and all these windows. You have the wraparound window on the front and the back. We're standing in this 2018 27-foot front bed, queen bed Globetrotter. It has the dark walnut with a light colored interior. This rig is exceptionally maintained and beautiful as well. Has the same kind of wraparound windows on both ends of the rig, offering you a view of wherever you may park it. This one also has the additional bike rack on the back, so if you have bicycles that you'd like to take with you camping, this model's already got the bike rack for you. If you're in the market for a rig right now, 25-foot or 27-foot, beautiful interiors, well maintained, and you're ready to take something on an adventure right now, maybe these rigs are for you. Stop by and check them out in person and see if either one of these fit your next adventure. Have a great day, everyone.